Hi, I'm Michelle from Great Ocean Properties and we're at number 3 Noble Street in Anglesea. This smart single-level home has all you need to enjoy the very best of Anglesea. With the river just 150 metres away and 550 metres to the village shops and cafes, the location is perfect. Come, let's take a look with me now. Light and bright, open-plan living with timber floors and tiled wet rooms makes cleaning and maintenance easy. Comprising of a master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in robe, a second bedroom and home study are serviced by the main central bathroom and generous storage. This low-maintenance home has minimal garden and also includes solar panels and undercover off-street parking. The super convenient location will make you want to call this property home. Please contact the team at Great Ocean Properties Anglesea for more information.